I am Julia. Mommy's going to do my makeup, and I count Julia. Hi, I'm Julia.
And I'm Modesty Jean. And welcome back to my channel, right? We like being on Mommy's channel?
Welcome to Mommy's channel.
Okay, so today, what color did you get at school today?
Blue.
And what did Mommy say she would do if you got blue?
Do my makeup.
Okay. And you gonna help Mommy out with her makeup today too?
Yup.
Alright. Let me go get a little bit of makeup for you and we'll see. What colors does Julia want?
Red and pink eyeshadow.
Okay. And what color lips do you want?
Red.
Red. Okay, you want red lips? Let me brief everyone on what's going on here. Okay, so Julia got blue, so I said I would do her makeup, and she is going to be doing my makeup today. So we are doing the My Daughter Does My Makeup Challenge, and I'm going to do her makeup for fun.
And nails.
Oh, I got to redo your nails. Show everyone your nails. We got to redo our nails. Look at our nails. Show them our nails. We got to redo those, don't we? All right, so, just a quick disclaimer, I don't want any mean comments about me doing her makeup. This is just something we do for fun, right? You know Mommy never lets you leave the house with makeup on, right? Never, never. We just do this for fun. So, alright, let's go ahead and get started. Let me get some pink eyeshadow for you. We're going to do her makeup first. Okay, wow.
Pinks?
Yeah, pinks. Let me grab a little bit of eyeshadow primer for you.
Oh.
Oh, you are so cute.
Subscribe to the channel.
And give it a thumbs up. Alright, so I'm going to turn you just a little bit. No spinning, just turning, okay? There's a big difference. Alright, so you want pink? So we're going to start out with this shade right here. I'm using the BH Cosmetics Ultimate Artistry Palette. Does that tickle? I'm not done. You are doing so good.
Thank you. Woo.
Now we're going with pink. I know you were just so excited. Mommy's so proud of you for getting blue at school.
Not spinning, only turning.
Yep. I gotta see your other eyes. So. Oh, you are being so still. Good girl.
Woo.
Now we're gonna make it even more pink.
More pink. I love more pink.
Do you know how to spell Mommy? How do we spell Mommy?
M-O-M-M-Y.
Good! Good job. You are good at spelling Mommy. And do you know how to spell Marissa?
M-A
R. E. Ah. Good. Right now we want a little bit of pink sparkle.
Pink sparkle.
Okay. This is gonna make it even more pink.
That tickles.
You're being so good.
Thank you.
I like having you on my channel. Do you want to be here more often? If you guys want to see more of Julia, you can go ahead and subscribe to the vlog channel. She's on there every day. Aren't you, sweetie?
Yep.
Yeah, you're always on the vlog channel. I'm going to turn you towards me.
It's going to be more pink.
Oh yeah, you're going to love this.
Why you put water?
Because the water is going to make the shinies in it more shiny. See?
Sparkly pink.
Yeah.
I love sparkles. They're perfect.
close this side. Gotta make them match. Beautiful. Look how pink that is. I know, you're so happy, sweetie.
It's pink and pretty.
So now I need you to open your eyes and watch mommy. Watch mommy. Go, look. Just look up. So keep your head down, but look at the ceiling. Look up. Okay, good. Stay like that. Open your eyes. Just going a little bit down here. Perfect. You're doing perfect. Oh, look how cute you look. All right. So do we need a little bit of blush?
It's a bird.
Yeah. Do you know what kind of bird that is?
Mm-hmm. What is it?
It's a hummingbird.
Hummingbird.
Yeah.
Hummingbirds are cool.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Pink. Pink and fluffy.
In your head?
I love it. Whoa. And pink.
Mm-hmm.
I just put it off.
I'm not. I'm blending. There's a difference. The blending keeps on there, but now looks super nice and pretty.
Ooh.
All right.
I love hummingbirds.
You like hummingbirds? Aww. Oh, they say tweet, tweet, tweet. Lip gloss. Do you want lipstick or lip gloss? One is going to be glossy and one's going to be like a stick. Oh wait, we're doing eyebrows.
Eyebrows. Is it pink?
No, sweetie. Your eyebrows are going to be the color of your eyebrow. So it's basically just making your eyebrows look fuller, but you already have beautiful eyebrows. Would you like some pink eyebrows? Is that what you want? Do you want pink eyebrows?
Mm-hmm.
I could put a little pink in there, I suppose.
Yep. I really do. You just turn it.
Mm-hmm. Because the other side has a little eyebrow brush. Look at your eyebrows.
Ooh, it's more darker.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
Do you want pink in there? Alright, she wants pink eyebrows, everyone. So the girl gets pink eyebrows. They're not going to be fully pink, but look. There's a pink tint to them.
Ooh. Wow.
Do you want lip gloss or lipstick? Or do you want both?
I want both.
Okay. Okay. Rub your lips together. Do you like your makeup? Are you ready to do mommy's makeup? Alright, so first off, mommy needs some eyeshadow.
You want pink or sparkly pink?
You do whatever makeup you want to do on mommy.
You want pink?
Whatever
or
color
green?
you want. I'm just going to close my eyes and you can do my makeup.
Green.
So why did you choose green? Tell everyone.
Green. Green is mommy's favorite.
Is it my favorite color?
Yep.
Do you know specifically what shade of green? Do you remember? Olive green.
Olive green.
Because I love green. Hey! Oh, it's a surprise, sorry.
Don't open your eyes.
Okay.
And Mommy loves pink and green every day. Why do you like pink and green?
I do. I like pink because my favorite little girl loves pink. And I love green because
It's a surprise.
I like how green looks on me.
Mm-hmm.
And what's my third favorite color?
Pink.
I know, we already said green and we said pink, but what's my third favorite color?
Blue.
And why is it blue?
And it's Chris's favorite.
That's right, because it's Rissa's favorite color.
It's a surprise for you.
Is the eyeshadow almost done?
Yep.
All right, what are you going to do after eyeshadow? Are you going to do my contour?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let me get a contour product. Do you know where I
All
contour?
done.
Head and make my face look snatched. I'm just kidding. Don't say that word. That's weird. Contour me up, baby.
I'm a natural
You're a natural.
doing this. Now that's done.
So do you want to do blush next?
Blush. Where do you want it?
Blush goes right on your cheeks. Just like I did on you.
It's a hummingbird.
Mm-hmm. Is a hummingbird pink?
Yep. I'm almost done.
What color is that brush that you're using?
Pink.
I grabbed the pink brush because you like pink.
Mm-hmm. Almost done.
Okay.
It's a surprise.
Okay. It's a surprise. You are a natural, aren't you?
Yep. All done.
Okay, so then are you going to do my eyebrows too?
Yep.
Okay, so here is the product and here is the little brush. Okay? Go ahead and make my eyebrows beautiful.
It's a surprise.
Okay, I'll close my eyes.
No lookies.
Okay.
Now open your eyes.
All right.
That's all done.
Are we going to do my lips? Yeah, twist it. Like that.
Okay.
Now don't press too hard. What color is it?
Pink.
Oh, okay.
You want both?
We gotta finish the lips. Make them look beautiful.
You want these colors?
Sure.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, here, only put it up that far.
Okay.
Guess who made that lipstick?
You did.
The girl who sings your favorite song.
Julia.
Her name's Miley Cyrus, you silly girl.
Oh. Good. Okay.
Am I all done?
Yep.
Okay, does it look beautiful?
Yep.
All right, now we gotta get a little more in there.
Miley Cyrus.
All right, are we all done?
Not yet.
Okay, what's next? Let's see. We look, owie! We look beautiful. Thank you. You're gonna get a smoochie. Mwah!
Hey.
Oh, she got me. All right, guys. So, all right. Is that the end of the video? Did you like being on Mommy's channel? All right, guys. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed Julia's little makeup tutorial, and I hope she enjoys her makeup. Do you like your makeup, sweetie? Yeah.
Mhm.
Are you gonna get blue again in school?
Yep.
Yep. Yep. All right, so we're going to go out, enjoy ourselves, and have a good night together. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, right? And make sure to subscribe to the channel, right? Do we want people to subscribe? Yeah. We want people to watch it? Yeah.
Yes.
And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I think I already said that. But yeah, all my social media links are down below. Make sure you subscribe to my vlog channel if you want to see this cute little face again. Other than that, I love you guys, and put all your video requests down below in the comment section. Other than that, I will see you guys in my next video, and love you guys. Mwah! Blow me a kiss. Goodbye. Are you excited to be on Mommy's channel today? Alright, how about you tell everyone your name and how old you are?
I'm Julia, and I'm 4.
Make sure you're looking at the camera. Alright.
And Mommy's gonna do my eyeshadow. And welcome to Mommy's channel. And
Do we want everyone to subscribe to the channel? Yes, we do. Tell them to subscribe to the channel.